Sorkar jela kalarai ban penlong ya ka jinga selok ke Bniah Halor ke jingmut ban seng ya ke winter capital Chatura. Menteri rangba ke jela ukan rat sama ulo ong ba ke Sorkar kan sapenya soalang ya barok kinong ya lam seng an perthei. Bat kinong ya shimbenta ban ya kran Halor kan ka kam. Shushu ula pentep ba ke Sorkar kan sa Thaw ya ke Komiti ban Bishar Bniah Halor kan ka kam. Menteri rangba ulo ong balada kan ka jing ai jingmut ke urlong ya ke executive wing baro ke wei on sapin kenria Chatura. Nak ke benta katu kat nipor bat wat ke jingalang dorbar Thaw anru kinlong ha katai ke jaka. Ya kan ka mat la ya kren ru hapo ke ying dorbar ha kasngi palei ha ke ba unong yalam kaliang persya umukul sangma ulawan ra ya ke resolution hapo ke ying dorbar.
Administrative complex. Even though the resolution was withdrawn, which we requested, of course, and we will go ahead with the constitution of a committee. We will involve all party leaders in it and some stakeholders, and we will do extensive consultation with the community at large, different NGOs, organizations, and see how to take it forward. When we say winter capital, technically it means that that definitely the entire executive wing will be shifted for a certain period, and the assembly sessions will be held in that area. So there are multiple aspects, mainly these two.
Kabenta